This is Fine Frames Diamonds die set from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die set with 6 individual diamond shaped forms and frames. Little diamonds, medium diamonds, huge diamonds, this die set will let you cut delicate diamond shaped frames in 6 varying sizes. These frames are great for adding a focal point to your projects. You may frame sentiments or floral images, or even add the diamonds on top of a background collage. You may also use the inner pieces to create patterns and shapes. For ease of use, we have incorporated 4 of the smallest diamond frames in one piece of die. All Altenew dies work beautifully with various die cutting machines available in the market. To find out more about the Fine Frames Diamond die set from Altenew, its featured projects and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.